times in barbershops we teach tags because it's a really good entry point for people learning our style. We don't have to have a whole sheet of music, and we don't give you music, we just kind of teach you things to sing. So I was looking for somebody to teach, and I thought we'd do something, old classic tag that we haven't sung in a long time. Maybe a lot of you have noticed something. It's called For Life. The words are, for life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Okay? For life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Very poetic. The lead part. For life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. For life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Everybody sing that lead part, please. For life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Very nice. I love how we have so many guests here. Thank you so much for singing along. And I like that guests are already getting our style. Life is interwoven with the friends we. Oh, very nice. Follow along so well. Sing that for me one more time, please. For life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Excellent. Basics. I think the word for is a lead pickup, so leads will sing for basis. Life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Hey, there's cheats. Everybody sing bass, please. Everybody sing bass, so I'm not embarrassed by myself. Here we go. Life is in. Here we go. Life. For life is inter. Life is in. Here we go. Ahead. Life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Excellent. Sing bass or lead, please. For life. Here are 4 leads. For life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Excellent. Very nice. Tenors. Again, the lead pick up 4. Tenor, please. Life is interwoven. 4. Life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Excellent. Sing lead or tenor, please. For life. Basis, sing lead or tenor. Everybody sing lead or tenor. For life. For life is interwoven For life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Oh, very nice. Baritones for life. So same as the leads. Life is interwoven with the friends we used to know. Life is octave. With the friends we used to know. Excellent. Let's do for life, please. All four parts. Start us up on life. For friends. For life. For life. And then here we go. For and. For life is two basses, one bass, chorus guy, two basses, three baritones, two leads, two tenors, and guests of all those parts. Yeah. One guest of that part. So we got two basses, we got two baritones. I need two leads here. Come on down, leads. I need two tenors over here. And I need guests in each of those parts. Any guests want to sing? Guests want to sing. We can get two leads. Oh, come on. And we'll get people.
That's all right.
Nobody wants to do tennis. We're doing tennis. You guys take it away. For life.